What if getting rich was less like running a race and more like finding the perfect sunbeam for a nap? You don't need to be lucky or a Wall Street genius. You just need to think like a cat, like Lupe. When we talk about getting rich, most people think of something distant, complicated, maybe even impossible. But the truth is, building wealth is more about little habits, small decisions, and a calm cat-like patience. Today, Lupe, the wealth cat, is going to teach you how he became rich, with strategic meows, perfectly timed naps, and a few well-placed bites. Let's break it down, the cat way. Cats don't chase every bird they see. They watch, they calculate, they save their energy. And your money? It should work the same way. Lupe's first meow of wisdom: don't spend like a lion if you earn like a house cat. If you make $3,000 a month and spend all $3,000, or worse, $3,500, you're not building wealth, you're digging holes. The trick is simple: spend less than you earn. Even if you just save $10 this week, that's a start. Lupe knows every empire starts with a single nap on top of a solid budget. The first step to getting rich? Don't chase shiny toys. Choose your kibble wisely. Save first, pounce later. Lupe doesn't work 9 to 5. He naps a lot. But even while he's sleeping, his money is awake, multiplying. How? By investing. Stocks, index funds, real estate. Boring? Maybe. Effective? Like a purring engine. Think of it this way. You plant the tree today, and in a few years, it grows into a whole buffet. Lupe doesn't need to chase cash every day because he invested smart and let time do the work. Want to get rich while you nap like Lupe? Start investing early, even if it's just a few bucks a week. Make $10,000 a week from home. This crypto coin will skyrocket 9,000%. Lupe's warning, purr. If it sparkles too much, it's probably bait. Real wealth isn't loud. It's not flashy. It grows slowly, like fur on a happy cat. Get rich quick schemes? They're like laser pointers. Fun, but empty. Lupe doesn't chase fake mice. He waits, watches, and pounces only when it's real. Don't fall for hype. Real wealth is calm, consistent, and built on trust, not glitter. Before Lupe bought a diamond-studded collar, he built a safe, fluffy nest. Emergency fund? Check. No debt? Check. Basic insurance? Yep. Because when life gets stormy, and it will, you'll want more than just a cool toy. You'll want a warm bed, a dry roof, and peace of mind. Lupe doesn't flash. He protects first. That's how cats survive. Before the fancy stuff, focus on safety. True wealth is sleeping well, not looking rich. Lupe didn't get rich overnight. He did it with tiny, quiet routines. Save, invest, wait, repeat. Like a purr, soft, steady, but powerful. Wealth doesn't come from one big leap. It comes from showing up day after day with cat-like focus. No hacks, just habits. Getting rich isn't a sprint. It's a daily purr. Be consistent, be calm, be like Lupe. Here's the truth. You don't need to hustle 24/7. You don't need to be born rich. You just need to be a little more like Lupe. Be curious, be patient, pounce only when it matters. Getting rich isn't about being lucky. It's about being ready when the opportunity naps next to you. So slow blink, stretch, start small. You've got this. Like Lupe's style? Smash that like. Subscribe for more financial wisdom from the fluffiest teacher on the internet. And share this with someone who's chasing shiny mice instead of real cheese. Until next time, stay calm, stack coins, and purr on.